Hello students, in this session let us solve this question of shear force and bending moment diagram. When the couples is given, simply supported beam is there, and here a couple is given, clockwise couple is there, 24 kilonewton meter, and we have to draw the shear force diagram and bending moment diagram for this question. Shear force diagram and bending moment diagram like this, right? So here suppose this is RA reaction, we have to find out first the reaction RA and RB, and then we will solve for shear force and bending moment. We will take the sections and then we will solve it, right? So how to find out the reactions? So reaction, for finding the reaction, take the moment of all the forces about A. So sigma MA will be equal to 0. All the forces about A. Let us take clockwise as positive and anti-clockwise as negative. RA don't have any movement about A because it is passing through A itself. This is clockwise, take positive, so 24 kilonewton meter, 24, and this is negative, RB multiplied by this resistance 6. So this is minus 6 RB. So this will come out to be that RB will be equal to 4, 6 4 yeah, 24, 4, this is kilonewton. So this is RB, 4 kilonewton. And it is positive, as we have taken here, positive. So RB is 4 kilonewton. Let us take all the vertical forces to be 0. There is only two vertical forces, RA and RB. So sigma FV should be equal to 0. Sum of all vertical forces. There is no other vertical force, only RA and RB is there. So RA plus RB, we have taken upward direction of RA and RB, should be equal to 0 because no other force is there. So this implies that RA will come out to be minus 4 kilonewton. Minus 4 kilonewton. It means the direction of RA is not this. Actually RA is in this direction, of downward direction. So actual direction of RA is this. This is RA, which is equal to 4 kilonewton. It is in downward direction. This reaction is upward direction, this reaction is in downward direction, so that it can counteract this moment 24, right? So this is one part of this question. We have obtained the reactions. Now we want to find out the forces. Take the section, suppose this is x at a distance small x from A, and shear force at x will be equal to, what is the shear force at x and what is sign convention? To the left it is downward, it is negative. RA is downward, it is negative. So this is minus 4 kilonewton, and it is valid between A to, this point is suppose C, A to C. It is valid between A to C. Although it is valid throughout, because there is no other force is there, but suppose we are taking 2 times the section we are taking, so because of movement, although there is no effect of movement, so this is minus 4 kilonewton from A to C. So FA will be equal to minus 4 kilonewton and FC will be equal to minus 4 kilonewton because it is constant, right? So this is the another part. So we can take here now the shear force diagram we can take here. This is negative here, and how much is negative? This is minus 4 kilonewton. So this is 4 kilonewton. I am writing here 4 kilonewton, right? And this is negative. Now next, and this is A, C, B. Now take one more section. You can take section from that side also if you want to take, right? Section can be taken from that side also, and anywhere you can take section. Suppose we are taking section from right side now, from B. From B we have taken section, suppose x1. So now what is the section, what are the forces on this side? This is 4 kilonewton, and if it is right side, the upward, this is negative, again negative, so minus 4, it is actually minus 4. So Fx1 will be equal to minus 4 kilonewton from B to C. valid from B to C. So this is FB minus 4 kilonewton and FC minus 4 kilonewton, and this is the forces minus 4. So this is entire minus 4 from B to C, it is minus 4. So this is an entire minus 4 term like this, right? So this is the shear force diagram, entire minus 4 kilonewton. So for here 4 kilonewton, here also 4 kilonewton, and this is negative. So this is the shear force diagram, right? This is the shear force diagram. There is no effect of couple, no effect of this couple due to on the shear force. There is no effect. That's why it is entirely 4 kilonewton, minus 4 kilonewton, right? Now we want to find out the moment of this about x, moment of this RA about x, right? And it is again negative. So we can write mx1, mx will be equal to RA multiplied by x. So this is minus RA multiplied by x, so this is minus 4x, and valid between A to C, A to C, right? And what is MA? MA, at MA x equal to 0, so this will equal to 0. And what is MC? At MC x equal to 2 meter, so this will come out to be minus 8 kilonewton meter, minus 8 kilonewton meter, and it is a linear variation. This is a linear line. So 0 to minus 8, 0 to minus 8 from A to C as a linear variation. So linear variation, and it is in negative direction like this, right? So from 0 to, this is A, C, B, from 0 to minus 8, this is minus 8. Kilonewton meter, minus 8 kilonewton meter. Negative direction we are showing, so that's why we are removing minus, because it is already in negative direction. This is minus 8 kilonewton meter, right? And then we can take this section from B side, x1 section is there, moment of RB about x1. So RB about x1 is positive now. Now we are taking the positive, right? Because it is rightward clockwise, anti-clockwise. So this is positive, this part, right? This part. So mx1 will be equal to moment of RB about x1. So this will be 4x1, right? Valid between B to C, B to C. So MB will be equal to MB at x is equal to 0. So this will come out to be 0, and MC at x equal to 4 meters. So this will come out to be 16 kilonewton meter. So from 8 to 16 jump from negative to positive, right? This because of this moment, 8 to 16, total sum should be 24 like this. And then linear variation from 16, this is 16, right? This is 16 kilonewton meter from negative to positive. So there is a abrupt change from 8 kilonewton meter to minus 8 kilonewton meter to positive 16 kilonewton meter, and this is the shear force diagram, and this is bending moment diagram. 16 kilonewton meter, right? So this is how we can draw the shear force diagram and bending moment diagram using the concept of movement at any section and shear force at any section.